Welcome back. I'm going to show you how I dyed my hair using texture and tones. And I'm so tired of this patch of blonde, so I wanted to come from that to this. This is what came in the box: the developer, the color, and conditioner. So I'll just apply Vaseline to my hairline. And make sure you shake it up thoroughly. My hair is sectioned in 3 sections. So I'm simply just applying it as I would do conditioner or edge control and just splitting in smaller sections. I'm bringing it from root to end. Now I'm just splitting it through and checking any missed areas. This process is super easy. I do this like once or twice a year. You just want to make sure you didn't miss any areas. So this is my hair after applying the conditioner. As you see, this conditioner that they give you with it is the bomb.